Scarlett Johansson walked into the kitchen. 5 minutes later, a movie had been filmed, soup had been made, and someone had won an Oscar. Why don't you exercise? I saw Scarlett Johansson today. So, now I need time to believe in myself again. Scarlett Johansson decided to make herself a sandwich. The result was a 3-season trailer and a fan base. When Scarlett Johansson says, "Hi," thoughts run through your head. First, wedding. Second, 3 kids. Third, what to name the dog.